NFTs are very popular these days. In fact, you can't be in the crypto world without hearing about them. But still, that doesn't mean that they are not confusing to many people. Here, you will find your complete beginner-friendly guide to understanding NFTs. In this video, you will learn what exactly is an NFT, how these NFTs work, why some NFTs have insanely high prices, some of the most popular NFTs and their prices, uses of NFTs, and finally how to buy and store NFTs. We have included timestamps so you can easily skip to any part you want. With that said, let's get started. Let's first start with that confusing name. An NFT, also called ERC-721 token, stands for a non-fungible token, which is also confusing. So, let's break it down to two parts. Non-fungible means that it is unique and can't be replaced with anything else. For example, a $1 bill is fungible. Your $1 bill can be replaced with any other $1 bill. A 1-pound bar of gold is also fungible. You can replace your bar of gold with any other 1-pound bar of gold. Your cat, on the other hand, is non-fungible. It is unique and it has specific traits, and it holds value for you, and you can't replace it with your neighbor's cat, for example. Another example is pieces of art. A piece of art like the Mona Lisa or the Starry Night is non-fungible. Each piece is unique, has specific characteristics and its own story, and it is not similar to any other piece of art. Then we have the token part. You can think of a token here as a notepad containing information about an asset and its owner. This piece of information is stored on a blockchain. If you don't know what that means, it means that it is stored on a lot of computers at the same time, which makes it very hard, almost impossible, for anyone to fake or edit its content without the other computers noticing and denying the edit. Most of the times, these tokens are created on the Ethereum blockchain. So, simply an NFT is proof that you own a digital asset, like an image, music track, or a video file. For example, imagine that you are an artist creating digital art, which takes a lot of time and hard work from you. So, you finished your latest piece of art and uploaded it online for people to see. Many people liked your work and shared it everywhere, and a lot of people downloaded it on their computers. So after a while, how can you prove that you are the creator and owner of this artwork? A lot of people can download and distribute the image, and other people can claim that they own the original version, preventing you from getting paid for your work. So, the next time you finish an artwork, you go and mint an NFT of the original image. Minting an NFT means creating an NFT on the blockchain that proves that you are the owner of this artwork. This NFT can't be edited by anyone. You only can transfer the ownership of the original image by selling the NFT, which is updated to reflect the new owner. Now you may be wondering, can someone mint an NFT of my work and sell it? Well, technically yes. Anyone can mint an NFT of your work. But if you have minted an NFT of this work before him, people can easily see which one is the original, and his NFT will be worthless. Another important point here to understand is that when you buy an NFT, you don't get the copyrights of the work most of the times. You are just buying the original version of an artwork. Still, the artist holds the copyrights and can create new versions and sell them, or even print the artwork and sell it. You can just sell your NFT if you want. So, how does an NFT work? Well, as we have said earlier, an NFT is just a notepad or a token containing information about the digital asset. For example, if you are buying an NFT of an image, this NFT contains a token name, a unique ID for the token, some metadata, such as the title of the image and its description, the creator of the image or the artist, a link to the image file stored on a server somewhere, and finally, the owner of the token. There is a common misunderstanding here. Many people think that when you buy an NFT, you are buying the image, and this image is stored on the blockchain. This is totally wrong. You are buying the token that has a link to the image, and this image is stored on a server somewhere else, not on the blockchain. Only the owner data and the metadata of the images is stored on the blockchain. Also, you should know that a log of all transactions history of any NFT is available for anyone to view on the blockchain, which allows us to easily know who created an NFT, who owned this NFT in the past, and who is the current owner of this NFT. This history of transactions can't be edited or deleted by anyone. It is just updated automatically when a new transaction is made. So, to create an NFT on the Ethereum blockchain, you have to first write a smart contract. A smart contract is basically a code that executes transactions automatically when certain conditions are met. This smart contract mints your NFT and responsible for tracking and transferring ownership of the NFT. You can also add new functions to the smart contract. For example, you may want to get paid a royalty every time the NFT is sold. You should know that you can mint NFTs on many blockchains, not just Ethereum, like Solana, Cardano, Tezos, and Flow blockchains. So, why some NFTs are so valuable and have very high prices? Well, NFTs are just like artwork. Some paintings are worth millions of dollars, while others are worth less than $100. An NFT price, just like art, depends on who created it. So, for example, if Michael Jordan minted only 3 NFTs of a basketball image, they will be so rare and unique that they will be worth a lot of money, compared to if they were minted by you, for example, as they will be the only 3 NFTs in the world, minted by Michael Jordan. Also, suppose that you minted these basketball NFTs. Then, Michael Jordan bought one from you and owned it for a while, then decided to sell it. It will be worth a lot of money, a lot more than the other 2 NFTs. So the price also depends on previous owners of an NFT. Another reason why some NFTs are very expensive is that these NFT collections were from the very first NFT collections to be ever released, like the CryptoPunks collection released in 2017. So they are much expensive than newer collections, just like the first edition Pokemon cards, which can go for a lot of money right now. Let's now go over some of the most popular NFTs in the world and the prices they sold at to give you an idea of how expensive NFTs can go. We have the CryptoPump number 5217, sold for $5.45 million. The oceanfront artwork by Beeple sold for $6 million. Next, we have the Crossroads, also by Beeple, sold for $6.6 million. CryptoPump number 7804 sold for $7.5 million. We have also CryptoPump number 3100 sold for $7.58 million. Another CryptoPump number 7253 sold for $11.7 million. Human 1 by Beeple sold for $28.9 million. And finally, we have the first 5,000 days by Beeple, which was sold for $69 million US, making it the most expensive NFT ever sold. So, NFTs are mainly used as proof of ownership of digital assets, like we said earlier. But they can also be used as proof of ownership of physical or real-world assets, like cars or houses, where the deed of a house is tokenized in an NFT form on the blockchain, with only one owner for it. But we still have a lot of time before we can see something like this in the real world. NFTs can also be used as collaterals for loans. For example, you may have a CryptoPunk bought for $20,000 a while ago, and you need some money without selling your NFT. You can go ahead and lock your CryptoPunk in a smart contract as a collateral. And when a lender chooses your NFT, he lends you the money. If after a while you repaid the loan, you get back your CryptoPunk. But if you defaulted and didn't repay your loan, the smart contract automatically transfers the CryptoPunk to the lender. Gaming is another area where NFTs are used a lot. You know, when you unlock or buy a skin or a weapon in a game, you can use it however you want in the game, but you can't trade it for real money. Well, developers can now develop these skins and weapons as NFTs. And when you buy or unlock these skins and weapons, you fully own them, and you are free to use them or trade them for real money with other players. An example of these games is Crypto Kittens, which was the first blockchain game. Another examples are Gods Unchained, Axie Infinity, and Decentraland. So, let's say that you decided to buy an NFT. Where do you buy it? You can buy NFTs on NFT marketplaces. The most popular marketplaces are OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, Foundation, Nifty Gateway, and Mintable. Most of the sales in the marketplaces are done using Ethereum, except for Nifty Gateway, which allows you to buy NFTs using normal fiat currencies like the US dollar. So to buy an NFT on these marketplaces, first you need to buy some Ethereum, which you can do on Coinbase or Binance, or from your MetaMask wallet. Then, head over to one of these marketplaces, create an account, connect your wallet, and then pay for the NFT you chose with Ethereum. After that, the NFT ownership will be yours. You can store your NFT in a software wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, or you can store it more securely in a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano or Trezor. At the end of this video, we hope you learned what you need to know about NFTs and how they work, and if you liked our video and want to reward our hard work, give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our new videos. We promise they will be very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching.